Hi, my name is Devon Schmieder. This is my project video for ABE 205 for the summer of 2013 at the University of Arizona. Here's my front page here. I designed my project as if it was a website for a traveling agency. My traveling agency name of the company is Enron, and so here this box just gives some general information. It says to click this button here. So we'll click this, my forum pops up. I designed my project around a couple's retreat to Costa Rica in July. So here, just some basic info, name, partner's name, email address, phone number. Here is just some flights available from Sky Harbor in Phoenix. I just have some information about direct flight and indirect flight and difference. So IF is indirect flight, DF for direct flight, and so I just put a bunch of random dates and times in here. So we'll pick this one, and we can click the right arrow to see the whole thing. It goes all the way back like that. Okay, so the class that you want to sit in on the plane, so we'll pick first class, and the hotel. I added some additional things to the hotel because I thought it'd be cool if the user got to look up additional information on the hotel that they wanted to stay at. So if we click this button, it just brings you to the home page of that particular hotel. I just found that code on the internet. That goes for the other two as well. Here's some things that they might want to do while they're in Costa Rica, and just a comment box if they want to leave if they have any other questions. So we'll calculate this basic info, and then the cost of the trip is just as an estimate. Okay, so we'll calculate the trip. All the information shows up here. So then we go down to this box, and it just says to go to sheet 3. Okay, so here's a survey that I created, just general statements. It just says to put the grade next to the box based on the company's ability. So here I just put some random ones, A, B, D, A, A, B, C here. Okay, we click submit. Your survey has been submitted to our office. We appreciate your input. Thanks again and have a wonderful time. So when I click submit, the information gets transferred to sheet 4, which is basically what the employee of the company is supposed to be looking at. So it has the ratings here of what the user submitted, and then I did an average. So here 3 out of 4. We have a visual here for show graph, just another visual for that. And then the employee can press process info, and I just did a record macro, and all the information shows up here. Okay, so we can look at the code. Start at the top. Just command buttons. Here's the codes for looking up the information on the web for the hotels that I actually found these on Google. Here's the user form initialized, so all my combo boxes, all the information for those, and my text boxes. And here's the big one. And I just basically got this. This is almost exactly what we did in chapter 9, and I just modified it and added a bunch to it. The one thing that is different is the calculation for the total. So here I just have like hotel costs, and this is supposed to be a package deal, so I just lowballed all the costs. So and that goes for all these too. So horseback riding, scuba diving, surfing, fishing, and all that. So I just threw it into a very basic calculation. Okay, and it just shows up in line 11. Okay, we'll look at this really quick. Here is my loop calculation that we did. It's basically like the same one in chapter 10. And here's my record macro, and here's my hide graph and show graph, and that's about it. So thank you for watching.